Perfect replacement. Reverse engineered to look, fit and function exactly like the original door mirror on your vehicle's specific year, make and model. Complete assembly. Includes same mirror glass, housing, bracket and technology as the original part that came on the vehicle. Cost-effective and reliable. Functions similarly to the original part but is much less expensive than getting a replacement from the dealership or original manufacturer. Easy installation. No special tools or equipment is necessary for installing this new part. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This door mirror was engineered to look, fit and function like the original mirror assembly for your vehicle's specific year, make and model. It includes the same mirror glass, housing, bracket and technology as the part that came on the vehicle. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. When your teenager hits a parked truck. After having to take our newer SUV to get a new mirror, Bird hit it at 45 miles per hour, which was expensive. I was happy that it was so cheap and easy to fix the mirror on our Civic when our daughter had an accident. It came fast and didn't take long to install. Luckily our car is black, so we aren't going to worry about painting it.